Hey guys, how's it going? Well, I thought I'd do a night test. See how these ultra bright light LEDs do, and looks like they're popping some pretty serious light here. So we're just gonna drive her down the driveway and see how well this thing keeps things lit up. Man, who needs headlights when you got these friggin' bright roof lights? This is sick. Camera's getting blinded by the LEDs. Kind of figured that would happen. Well, I guess when I get my metal bumpers, I'll definitely be putting some nice bright headlights in, as well as some really bright red taillights. This is awesome. I actually didn't expect them to do, well, I expected them to do pretty good, but I didn't expect this good. That's really good. That's bright. Okay guys, that's the end of our test. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next vid.